Me and the kids had a day off and I managed to convince them to go birding in the forest. With donuts. I convinced them with glazed donuts. We spent some time at a local bird feeding station in a nature reserve nearby. This is a great initiative for city kids like mine to be introduced to wild animals and gain some interest in the natural world. The kids took on the role of filming the environment.
Vinka till kameran.
Kids being kids, they wanted to go explore the forest. But thanks to this restlessness, we got to see some pretty cool birds. A bunch of goldcrests and one of my favorite birds around here. Goldcrests never stay still for a second. Filming them is quite the challenge. You'll see the camera jumping when I try to keep them in focus. I haven't seen a crested tit, one of my favorite birds, in a really long time. There's really no birds looking like the crested tit around here. So it was quite exciting when one appeared as we were walking around. Full disclosure though, this photo is from the last time I saw one. After watching the goldcrests and building stuff with sticks, some in the family were done with the forest for the day. Not naming names. But one of my daughters said she wanted to stop by at the bird feeding station on the way home and eat her fruit. So I have a feeling I might be able to convince them to go back. Probably with donuts. Thank you for watching. Me and the kids had a blast. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, a like and a subscribe goes a long way. Thank you.